Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy and paste and explain how to use the clipboard on HONOR MagicBook. So the first thing is explaining what you can copy. You can copy files, you can copy images, you can copy text, you can copy various things. The text that you copy, for example, in Microsoft Word, you can paste it later into Microsoft Word or any other text editor and it'll still be formatted. So that's also pretty great sometimes. And to do all of that, I'm gonna open the notepad because I'm just gonna copy it all in the notepad. Then I'm gonna type something in. Then as I select it, I can click on Ctrl+C to copy, then Ctrl+V to paste it. And I can do that multiple times. Then, if you click on Windows and V on your keyboard, you'll see clipboard. You can turn it on, and after you turn it on, it'll save the history of things that have been recently copied. So this is what I have. You can also pin it so it'll never vanish from the clipboard, but I'm gonna unpin it. Then I'm gonna, for example, say, "Hi, what's up?" and select it. Then click on Ctrl+C. And as I click on Windows V, I can now select whether I want to paste the hard reset or the hi WhatsApp. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.